Hello everyone, good morning. Student, chapter 4 is going on and exercise 4.4. This is the long division method. So let's start our long division. Here is given, divide the following and verify your answer. Okay, so now let's start. 18 divided by 1812 divided by 15. Student, first of all we check how many digits we take from the divided. Here is 15. So can we take one digit? No, because 1 is smaller than 15. Can we take two digit 18 together? Yes, we can, because of 18 is greater than 15. जो 18 है वो 15 से greater है. So we can take two digit together. Now recite table of 15 that you get 18 or less than 18. So 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. 13 is greater than 18. So we can take only one time 15. Write down. Now subtract 5 from 8, 3. 1 from 1, 0. Okay. Now put down 1. Again recite table of 15 that you get 31 or less than 31. So 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45. 45 is greater than 35, 31. So we can take 2 times 30. Now 0 from 1, 1, 3 from 3, 0. Put down 12. Now student, here is 12, here is 15 and 15 is greater than 12. 15 12 से greater है. So we can recite table of 15 0 time. 15 zeros are 0. We can't live without solution this here. If we write down the number, जब हमने किसी नंबर को राइट डाउन किया है, इट मीन्स वी कांट लिव विदाउट सॉल्यूशन. हम इस नंबर को बिना सॉल्यूशन के नहीं छोड़ सकते. बट हमारा जो 15 है वो ग्रेटर है एंड 12 स्मॉलर है, तो हम इसके लिए 15 की टेबल 0 टाइम रिसाइट करेंगे. 15 zeros are 0. Now 0 from 12, 12. Now, okay. Now here is verify the answer. Verify. For the verification, what we do? Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. Student, you know what is divisor, what is quotient, what is remainder, and what is divided. Look at here. This one, 15 is a divisor. What is 15? Divisor. And this between number divided. Okay. Next. This is quotient. 120 is quotient. And remaining last one जो हमारे पास लास्ट पे रहा है it is remainder. Okay, so these are the name of the particular number. Okay, now verify. It is telling divisor multiply by quotient multiply by plus remainder. Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? This is divisor 15. What is quotient? 120. So multiply by 120. What is remainder? 12 is remainder. So plus 12. Student, look at here. Now multiply 15 by 120. So 120 multiply by 15. 5 0 0. 5 2 ja 10. 1 carry. 5 1 ja 1 plus 1 6. Now 1 0 0. 1 2 2. 1 1 1. 0 0 8 1. 1800. After that what it is telling? Plus 12. So we can add 1800 plus 12. 2 1 18. What is 1812? 1812. It means divide is correct. Okay. So this is what is this? It is 1812. Clear? Now next question is 6192 divided by 25. B question. Student, here is 25. So we can take 2 digit because 2 digit, if we take 2 digit 61 is greater than 25. So we can take 61. Now recite 25 table that you get 61 and less than 61. 25 and the 25, 25 to the 50, 25 to the 75. Okay, 75 is greater than 61, so we can take 2 times 15. 0 from 1, 1, 5 from 6, 1. Put down 9. Now recite table of 25 that you will get 119. But okay, so here is 100, 25 for the 100, 25 for the 125. But 125 is greater than 119, so we can't take, so we can take 100 4 times. Okay, 0 from 9, 9, 0 from 1, 1. Put down 2. Recite table of 25 that you get 192 or less than. So here we can give 25, 150, 175 and 200. 25 area 200 is greater number than 192. So we can take 7 times 175. 175. Okay, now can we subtract 5 from 2? No, take borrow. Here is 8, 12. 5 from 12, 7. 7 from 1, sorry, 7 from 8, 1. So here is 17 remainder. Now verify your answer. For the verification, divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? 25. What is quotient? Multiply 247. And what is remainder? 17. Okay. Now 247 को आपको 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर चेक करना है. 5 7 का 35. 3 कैरी. 5 4 का 20. 20 plus 3. 23. 2 carry. 2 5 ja 10 plus 2 12. Multiply 2 7 ja 14. 1 carry. 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9. 2 2 ja 4. So 5 7 11 6. 6 1 7 5. Okay, it is telling add 17 also, है ना. 17 ऐड किया. 5 plus 7 12. 1 carry. 9 7 6. Same answer. Okay, so verify our answer correct. So here is 6192. Got it? Now 1127 divided by 20. Okay. Now student, here is 2 digit 20. If we take 2 digit 11 is there, 11 is less than 20, so we can't take. We take 3 digit 112 together. Okay. Now recite table of 20 that you get 112 or less than 112. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. 120 is greater than 112, so we can take 5 times 100. 2 1. Put down 7. Recite table of 20 that you get to 127 or less than. So student, 120, 140. 140 is greater number than 127. So we can take 120. It means 6 times. Now 7 remainder 0 0. So what is the quotient? 56. Now verify your answer. Here is verify. Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? 20. What is quotient? 56. What is remainder? 7. Now verify. Okay, multiply 56 by 20. 56 by 20. 0, 0 multiply. 2, 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2, 5 are 10. 1, 11. Okay. 0, 2, 1, 1. Now plus 7. 7, 2, 1, 1. What answer? 1, 1, 2, 7. So here is 1, 1, 2, 7 is the correct answer. Clear? Next is, here is 31,242 divided by 22. So as well 22, 2 digits, so we can take 31 because 31 is greater than 22. Okay, 22 1 ja 22, 22 ja 22 2 ja 44. 44 is greater than 31, so we can take one time 22. Can we subtract 2 from 1? No. So take borrow. 11 में से 2 less हुआ 9. Put down 2. Okay. Now recite table of 22 again. For that you get 92 or less than 92. So 22, 44, 66, 88, 110. Okay, 110 is greater than 92, so we can take 4 times 88. Okay, 8 from 2 can't subtract, take borrow. 12, here is 8. 8 from 12 from 8, 4. 0 from 0, 0. 8 from 8, 0. Now put down 4. 22 2 ja 44. 0 0. Student, now write down 2. Now 2 is less than 22, so we can recite 22 की टेबल हमें कितने टाइम डिसाइड करना है? 0 टाइम, because 2 is less than 22. So 22 zeros are 0. 2. Got it? Now verify your answer. Verify division multiplied by quotient plus remainder. What is quotient? Sorry, what is division? 22. What is quotient? 1420. And what is remainder? 2. Now multiply 1420 by 22. 2 0 0. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 ja 8. 2 1 ja 2. Multiply 2 0 0. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2. Now add this number. 0 4. 8 plus 4 12. 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry 3. So 31,240. Okay. 31,240. Add 2 also. 2 4 2 1 3. What answer? 31,242. Right answer. Clear? So I hope student you understand long division method. Clear? 3 digit या 4 digit by 2 digit number. So practice this division in your notebook and do all the questions in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.